Flavia?
Visst, ni vet vikingatiden, 1100-1200 år sedan, som då hade vi fortfarande 5 meter högre vattennivå. Och varför hade vi det? Just för att isen började smälta från den senaste istiden. Fortfarande kommer några millimeter land ur sedan den senaste istiden. Så därför så fanns det ingenting av Stockholms öar när på vikingatiden, utan hela sjön Mälaren som ligger på andra sidan Stockholm var då en vik av.
Okay, great.
This is going to be a great video. Thank you. Woo! Wow. Look at all the ice. How would you like a house up there?
Well, it's summer.
That massive one.
Wow. What would happen if you actually get in that water?
You probably die quite quickly. Actually, spending time with you, that's the kind of thing that happens to me.
I've never been in anything like this. Well,
No,
the
neither have
closest
I.
was in Salzburg, in the lake,
Yeah.
but it wasn't like this.
I've never seen this much ice on like a river or a sea.
Let's go see the other side, Flavia.
No. What?
You can zoom in and out.
How do I do that?
Like that. Here?
This?
No, here. Or that.
I prefer it like this. It's not that I can't do it.
Look, the sunshine! Oh, no.